Hey everybody, how are you doing today? I just thought I'd show you this HAVA portable dishwasher and how to use it. So these are the dishes I'm going to wash. It's for a rental unit that I have here. So the rental unit itself that I have is, the kitchen's not big enough for a full-size dishwasher, and I want to make sure my guests have something that works really well for them. So I'm going to set this down for just a second. Anyways, what we have here, just I'm gonna put this in. It's just a couple dishes for 2 people. That's what this is intended for. It's pretty simple. Put your dishes in there just like a dishwasher. There's a little place in here to put your detergent, which I always use powdered detergent in here. It's the exact same thing that you find in those pods. It's just a lot less expensive. And okay, that's a little bit more. It's supposed to be 8 grams, but maybe 10 this time. Less is more. So pretty much set that up, close it. There is a special place for a water inlet here if you want to make this more permanent. In this particular case, I have it more portable. So I just want to show you this part here. This is where the drain is set up, and that just drains down into the sink. You could hook that up to your plumbing. Again, just trying to make this more portable. I put it on one of these moving, kind of like a cabinet. So anyways, just want to make sure that was a little bit easier because people can just put things inside of their storage. So I'll fill this up with water. There's a pitcher that comes with this, but it's a little bit easier just to do it this way. When you fill it up, it'll beep at you. It takes let's see, 3 pitchers, so about 5 liters of water. I put warm water in here so that when the wash starts, that detergent is more effective. Not that I have any issues with the cooler water, it's just that it starts out a little bit easier. I've got a gas water heater, so the water is instantly hot versus using the electric heater inside of here to heat it up. So this is really fun to watch. While we're waiting for that, these are some of the controls. I just set it to eco. You have strong, normal, glass, quick. You could even wash fruit in here if you wanted to. Oh, I better stop that thing. Okay, so it's filled up. This has a dryer on it. It has a way to delay it, and you can also set this up to self-clean. I'm just going to shut that. We'll go ahead and start it on eco mode, and you'll be able to see this here in just a second. It's kind of cool having a dishwasher that has a window in it. It's kind of neat. So we'll see what happens here. It'll start running, and the dishes come out beautifully clean. I don't have any glasses in here because I'm still using them. But yeah, it's pretty nice. It works well for this type of kitchen. Again, this place that I have is a kitchen that's meant for 1 to 2 people. The rental unit is sized appropriately. So this is a perfect option for these types of situations. And this is a HAVA dishwasher. And again, it has all the instructions right here for people to read in case it's a little bit unclear. And there's the wash going. So it's kind of cool to watch that. So in about an hour's time, this will be done. So it's pretty good. I'm going for a walk, and about an hour later, this will all be finished. Thanks a lot. I'll have links for this if you're interested in it down in the comments section. Take care.